Hey Jeff,
Hey, nice to meet you. So thank you for invite.
we're so excited to have you here on the callmejz.ai podcast, focusing on video AI. How's your day going?
Pretty well. So I'm in Vegas attending some conference here and yeah, heading back to Bay Area this afternoon.
Oh, which conference?
Human X.
Oh yeah, I hear so many good things about it on LinkedIn, and I know NVIDIA is coming up, so it's an exciting time.
Right, definitely.
Well, why don't you introduce yourself?
Sure. Yeah, I'm happy to introduce myself. My name is Jeff Lu, and I'm the founder and the CEO of Upwork, and we are a leading AI video platform that creates videos mainly around the humans and doing avatars, translations, face swaps, and a lot of the video editing generation stuff. And we are a fast-growing company based in Palo Alto.
Awesome. So I would assume that you love AI. Is that right?
Yeah. I love AI. So I've been in the AI space for more than a decade and did a lot of the exciting works along the way, including Face ID and the video processing and the now Upwork, the video generation stuff. All of them are very interesting and very exciting, which keeps me motivated and stay in the track.
Awesome. Well, everyone who's live, please comment where you're commenting from and if you love, hate, or unsure about AI because everyone is included. Hey TJ, do you love AI yet? I know TJ is commenting locally, so thanks for joining us. Well, Jeff, let's talk about your avatars. I know everyone's really curious in the software and marketing investor space if avatars are profitable yet. I know that they do generate revenue, but then there's a lot of costs. So the in between profit, can you tell us anything about the case studies that you've had or just anything about profits in general? Hey Manoj from Bay Area.
Sure. Yeah. That's very exciting. So if you look at this generative AI way, majority of the company is very capital intensive, right? They need lots of capital to train models and do all the things. The space we work on are less capital intensive, which means as long as we are able to build great products and so on, we can really sell it for value and make money from it. That's a product we are looking for, and that's a direction we are going into. And in terms of ours, the company is growing pretty fast. It's a 3 year history so of the company,
Wait, I'm
and
sorry. Hey Rennie, hey Roy, thanks for commenting. And Jeff just said that AI avatars are not capital intensive. So I always thought that those models with all the faces and the voices were really capital intensive, but you're saying they're not.
they are not as capital intensive as text to video models and large language models. They are much better, but definitely you still need to collect a lot of data and do a lot of training. And but compared to them, the model requires more expertise. Algorithm is more important. So not necessarily you need to train with hundreds of GPUs with a huge amount of data. It's not. So it's a different task. But we do see the trend that people are using, turning to use these more large models, large video models to create these avatars. It's that part is still on the way. So if that path took off, then the field might be more capital intensive in the future. But at this moment, um, expertise is more important. So technology is more important, and um, the data amount and the compute not as big as like Sora or LM. It's a different world. So yeah.
That's awesome because I know with like Sora and Runway, Pika, Kling, you can only generate like 3 seconds, and with a cool and all the AI avatar models, you can generate like 1 to 3 minutes easily. So, thanks for sharing that.
Yeah, it's different, but we do work on some of the tasks that utilize models like Sora and Curling to generate avatars as well. And for these avatars, it's in generally more capital intensive, but the quality is actually not as good as the other approach. So still people, the first go for the production or for real business uses, they still focus on the quality more. So quality is very important. And we not necessarily go to the most largest compute, the most capital intensive approach. We go for the right approach, which is create the high quality and create something that users need. Yeah.
All right. Well, Manoj, I know we're all interested in a demo or seeing some of the case studies. So, bring it.
Sure. I can share some demos and
And as you're queuing that up, Manoj, let us know if there's anything specific you want to see in the demo. I know you're from the Bay Area, and Rennie, I know you're commenting from Amsterdam, but you want to make sure there's always a human in the loop.
so can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah, I can show some demos here and exciting videos. There might be some delays due to internet, but yeah, you'll get some of the basic concepts. And we are an AI video company and mainly making AI humans. And so can you hear everything? There's no sound. Just make sure it's playing correctly.
There's no sound, so
Oh, okay.
in the sharing, you might have to click a button that says share sound as well. Yeah, so Jeff, you have to click the button that says also share audio. It's like a radio button. Well, we can't hear the audio, but Jeff, can you show us how this was made?
So can you hear the video?
We can't hear the video, so when you present, you have to go to video, share
There's
screen.
no sound, right? So let's see. Why there's no sound?
Share screen and also share audio tab.
Share audio tab. Okay. Yeah. So basically, Can you hear the? Let's play another one. So this one is real-time video translation in meetings, and when you speak in one language, you can translate to another language, as well as real-time conversation with avatars. So we can do real-time conversation with avatars as well as translate into other languages as well. So it's an interesting demo. And here's another demo, which is running the avatars on the device. This one is a Windows laptop. You can run the avatar on the Windows laptop.
So Manoj is asking, can it make my video and change different uniform, dresses, backgrounds?
Sorry? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can't hear the audio. And Manoj is commenting, can your tool make his video change different uniforms, dresses, backgrounds?
Yeah. So we can do that, and we can change the background of the video, as well as we are launching something that changes the clothes of the people, and it's coming up alive soon. And even change the objects in the video. If someone holds a cup, and we can swap it to something else. So these are the features that are in development and should go live soon. And I think someone asked about Towers. So actually, we launched it earlier than Towers, and both of us provided the feature allow you to do live conversations and streaming and so on. And we focused more on the experience that enable for everyone, as well as focus more on the use case with more real world business use. And also we include more body motions and all these kind of things of it. I think Tavas is pretty focused on providing API, but they are also an interesting player in the market. Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, Manoj, you're saying that you're looking to build a side hustle. So Manoj, are you looking to use the API, or you're looking to generate videos? You can comment if you want to share. And then Jeff, tell us about some of those profitable and enterprise use cases.
Yeah, so we have a lot of users using us, and especially for the streaming avatar, lots of the use cases are around customer support, customer service, and now like almost every AI agent want to have a face on it. So the AI agent companies are looking for us to put a face on top of it, and governments are looking for us to create AI agents with a face to serve the citizen questions and the needs, and lots of the use cases. So for the streaming avatar, almost every AI agent, when they want to improve their experience, they need a face. And before that, our company initially got lots of tractions with marketing and advertisement. So many companies are using us to run marketing campaigns, as well as creating marketing videos. So like recently, Qatar Airways used us to do marketing that enables you to put yourself into videos with airways and experience everything together. So I think for the video, there's some issues with the sound. I don't know why there's no sound over there. So I can show more demos, but I think the sound is not working. Let's see. Uh,
And Manoj, thanks for commenting videos. So it sounds like you're interested in a side hustle, creating videos, generating them with AI, and then doing marketing for companies instead of using it as an API to make your own software tool.
yeah, let me try it again and see whether we can get the sound through. So
I think you got it. I think we're good. Go for it.
so there's sound now. Okay, that's good. And so I can show some of the examples that we did with some exciting technologies. So there are several technologies that's pretty popular on our platform. One is video translation, as I showed over there. And we also do avatars, and we also do face swap. So these are some of the most popular features. And for the streaming avatar, lots of it happens with customer support, customer service, and improve the AI agents experience. And here is the demo that we did with a doctor. And we also work with some of the more hospitals to create AI agents to do interactive attractions.
Parce que c'est de l'intelligence artificielle, parce que la technologie dont nous disposons et qui est valide nous permet en fait d'entrer en interaction immédiate avec les personnes diabétiques. Elles vont pouvoir poser des questions et grâce à cette source importante de données.
That's amazing. That feels really real because a lot of doctors, they do want to explain risks and complex surgeries before a procedure, or, it's just a lot of information. So that's great. Any questions from the audience?
Yeah, so doctor is a very big and interesting use cases because I think there is another company probably earlier. They create like a cartoon style of their avatars and provide that to lots of hospitals for pre-visit and post-visit conversations. And that company seems to grow big. So there are a lot of their companies looking for doing something similar, but with a more human-like avatars in the doctor sector. So definitely an interesting area as well.
Yeah, I know, Jenny, you're in the call, so let us know if you have any questions from a orthopedist perspective. And Jeff, keep going.
Yeah, and I can show some examples in the video translation as well. Show how we translate the videos from one language to another.
Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Today, you will learn about how Logitech is transforming the workplace experience. You'll hear from members of our team with some exciting launch announcements. 皆様参加していただきそのにありがとうございます。本日はロジクールが入画にして職場の体験を変革しているかに Bienvenue. Merci de nous avoir rejoints. Aujourd'hui, vous découvrirez comment Logitech transforme l'expérience sur le lieu de travail. Willkommen. Danke, dass Sie dabei sind. Heute erfahren Sie, wie Logitech das Arbeitsumfeld verändert.
Yeah, so these are video translations that we did for Logitech and for internal company communications and training education and so on. And they are really adopting these technologies for their material creations. And on the marketing side,
Sorry, I'm going to interrupt you. So Gabrielle is asking, she's asking, is there a freemium option in general?
Yeah, so we offer limited free usage. So if you go to our website, you can try out stuff, and if it works out, then you can upgrade to the paid plan. So yeah.
And then the tokens for the video avatar, that must cost more tokens than just like an image avatar, right?
Yes. So our tokens are based on the amount that you used, the amount of the videos you created and the images you created. And we have a system, we have a price table describing the pricing for them. And also for the interactive one, that's based on the time length as well, like how long you interact with the avatars. And for business and enterprise, we also offer enterprise plans with more flexibilities and more options.
Awesome questions, everyone. Keep them coming. What else, Jeff? Show us more.
Yeah, and here is another video translation example that we did with McDonald's for advertisements and so on. And the girl was originally speaking in English and we translate into Filipino.
Kamusta, Lola? Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na sobrang thankful ako. Sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa akin, isa ka sa mga pinakamalaking taga-suporta sa buhay ko. At hinahangaan po kita dahil sa lakas ng loob at pagmamahal mo.
And face swap is a very popular feature on our website, and we help a lot of brands and marketing agencies create content with it, and I can show some of the demos around it.
Yeah, I'm curious before you get there in terms of this localization, right? Like taking the company global, are people making like 2x revenue by taking it global, or what kind of ROI did these companies see?
Yeah, so
Ouais, non, c'était plus comme si je me baladais sur l'avenue.
so both on the language side and on the appearance side, many of the companies want to create multiple versions, multiple language with respect to different regions. And for their face appearance, many of them even want to create different versions with respect to different people. So it's really help them to scale out. So if you understand this, like creating a website with multiple language support, that's a power it brings. It really doubles or triples your business. And a lot of it's not just the enterprise and so on. Lots of the influencers are using them as well. And they can create influencer accounts with multiple languages and reach different audience. Yeah, definitely helps you to amplify your business with wider and more global reach.
That's awesome. I heard, double and triple. I know TJ has a wreath business and we're going to take it international. So that's a good revenue target. I love it. All right. Well, let's hear her sing, because I would love to sing and I'm really bad at it and I'm sure she can help me. So let's go.
Cœur ouvert à l'inconnu, j'avais envie de dire bonjour à n'importe qui. N'importe qui, ce fut toi, je t'ai dit n'importe quoi, il suffisait de te parler pour t'apprivoiser.
Yeah, so I show another example, which is an ad that gets top ad.
C'est passé, oui c'est passé, oui bien sûr que c'est passé. Maintenant faut que ça aille au bout. Allez, ouais c'est bien joué. Y'a plus qu'à pousser. Y'a plus qu'à pousser. C'est pénalty ça. C'est vert. Les bleus qui reviennent dans le match. Allez encore pour me rêver. Avec le pied droit. Quel toucher de l'extraordinaire. Là il y a un bon ballon pour bien jouer. Bien fait le centre le séminaire à la tête piquée. Super, allez belle cette équipe. C'est ça, le football qu'on aime. C'est ça, les bleus qu'on aime.
So are those the bounding boxes for classification or detection?
So so this is the ad that gets one of the top ad awards for Euro Cup, and they replace the players. So it's trying to promote female football and they say they are as good as male football. So if you replace the people's face, replace the head, and you actually don't know whether it's female football or male football. They are as good to watch. So and what we did is we provide the face swap tool as one of the tool sets that they use help them to create the video. So it's definitely a very interesting case. And we are working with another major telecom company to do something similar as well at this moment. So it's definitely a very interesting case as well. So yeah, these are the use cases from this deck, and actually we have a website with lots of the use cases, including avatars on the watch to different avatars with some sales machines and marketing campaigns and lots of different use cases. So if you are interested, you can actually check it out. And we also help a lot of influencers create virtual influencers and create multi-language accounts. They can think of as well, and the marketing campaigns. And the last demo I'm actually want to show is about the support avatar. So you can talk with avatars to provide.
Welcome to Akul. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, so we are able to, with a simple line of code, you can embed a support avatar to your website, and you can do either voice conversations or text conversations with it. And the avatar is built with a knowledge base based on your whole website. So it's already get the knowledge base of your whole website, and it can have conversations.
Akul offerings, generative AI platform for personalized visual marketing and advertising. A Python basic plan, 25 images or one.
Yeah, so you can ask various questions, and it will answer you. And also you can select all the different language.
To subscribe to Akul, you can visit the Akul pricing page and choose the plan that best suits your needs. You can select from various plans like the Pro Plan, Pro Max Plan, or Studio Plan, each offering different features and credits. Once you select a plan, follow the instructions to complete your subscription. If you need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Yeah, and also you can do conversation with all the language you want as well. So this is the experience that can help improve the engagement and so on. And also the similar experience was bring up to a lot of the other places as well. So yeah, that's about the demos and yeah.
That's awesome. I think we'll have time for one more question from the audience. But for me, since I know Manoj asked about examples where someone using your product as a side hustle to make money, I'm curious, from Jeff, your experience as being a coder turned founder and helping so many people have a side hustle, starting your own business, becoming a founder, what is the main piece of advice you have for people?
Yeah, so with AI and so many AI tools, it becomes much easier for you to do something with your free time, and lot of people we see or we work with, it's on the side hustle side. They are creating influencer accounts. They try to be influencers, and but they don't have so much time to record themselves to be influencer, and they use AI to generate videos and post on the social. So that's one of the side hustle that we noticed people do to make some money. And also, if you are interested to do some business and plan to grow it big in the long way, we also see many people that embed AI solutions into some of the domain knowledge they have and create some small applications or small things and bring them to market and see whether that grows or not. It's also a very interesting area to be if you either on the language model side or on the video generation side. So lots of opportunities out there for you to combine what you know and the knowledge with the advances in AI and create some side business. Yeah.
That's amazing. Well, what can everyone do to try a cool? The website's scrolling on the bottom, but what should they do, Jeff?
Yeah. So definitely can go to the website and try it out, as well as actually we can provide some free plans for people to use. So if you are interested to play with it, we can you can email me at lu@equal.com and I'll get started and help to provide some free accounts for you to test out and play with it.
Okay, so I'll put that in the comments. Email for free account. Amazing. Thank you so much. That's really generous. You're helping all the side hustlers out there.
Yeah. So I think it's the Gen AI, the fast-moving field, right? And lots of people are getting into it. It's a community, and we want to build a better community. So actually, in terms of that, we are launching multiple projects, including a project to support startups with free usage and so on, and also a project to support education for students and for film productions and so on. So lots of the programs are coming up. So if you are interested to participate more and use our software for free or build something on top of it, you can apply for these programs, or you can reach out to me and I can help you to get started. Yeah.
That's awesome. Stephen and I are board members at the Stanford Alumni Entrepreneurs Group. So we'll definitely be checking out the free plan to see how we can help entrepreneurs in our alumni community. So thank you so much.
Sure. Yeah. So if our Stanford startup community is interested, we can also provide some free accounts for the startups over there, and they can use us, integrate into the different solutions and the places. Yeah.
Awesome. We'll definitely be in touch. We're also looking for sponsors for our live and virtual events in Stanford campus and then globally. So anyone who's interested in that, reach out to me as well. I will sign off for now. I think we're 5 minutes over. Thanks everyone for listening in to callmejz.ai/podcast. The next one will be with Wistia, which is a AI video editing company, and they have a company mandate to use AI. So we'll get to hear what that feels like for the marketers on the team, what they love and hate about using AI. And thank you so much, Jeff. I'll be in touch about those free accounts. I'm going to end the... Oh, sorry, go ahead. Any last words?
No. So, yeah, go ahead.
All right, I'll end the live stream, but Jeff, let's stay on for a minute to talk about next steps. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.